Okay, so this video is going to be a little different. In fact, I almost decided not to post this video, and I'll explain why in a minute. So while I start my normal process of drawing a box, blocking out the major reference points, which are going to help me add that detail, I want to talk about something that I experienced during this drawing, and something that I'm sure you've experienced at some point, as well as what you can do if this ever happens to you. So first, let me say that there is a lot that went wrong with this sketch. Now, this marks my 24th sketch in this thumbnail series, and it's been a fun experience. I just wish it ended on a better sketch. And to be honest, I'm not particularly happy about how the sketch turned out, and I almost thought about not posting it at all. However, I thought it would be a great opportunity to address something that I don't hear a lot of people talk about. Now, after drawing 24 of these, I will say I learned a lot of new techniques, and I feel like I definitely improved as an artist. But the funny thing is that this proved to me that artistic growth and creativity are not a straight line. There are going to be times where everything starts to click and you start to experiment with new techniques and everything just seems to fall in place. These are great little rewards letting you know that you're improving. And on the opposite side of that, there are going to be times where you're going to be questioning every little thing you're doing and the lines that you're drawing just aren't connecting. That is the real path of progress. Sometimes you take a couple of steps back and that's okay. Sometimes you feel like you're getting worse and that is normal. This is one of those videos where I felt like everything went wrong. Even one of my cameras failed, so most of this video you will see it from this side angle here. Okay, going back to this sketch, just for some background, I've been playing around with my fountain pen and I've started to get really comfortable with my line work. I felt like I was taking a couple of steps forward. I decided to take advantage of that and use this progress as an opportunity to experiment with my line work a little bit. The problem is that I also felt like as I was drawing my lines to capture detail, nothing felt right. The whole sketch just felt sloppy with me. I just wasn't connecting with it. I started to take a couple of steps backwards. Now, by the end of this, I was not happy with my results. Now, don't get me wrong, you'll see that's not a bad sketch by the end of the video, but we all hold ourselves to different standards. Now, let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced this phenomenon and what methods you have to power through it. Going back to what I was getting at earlier is that it is perfectly normal to have these setbacks. Do not get frustrated if you feel like you're getting worse. In reality, those mistakes become teaching moments that shape your inevitable progress. Now, I could have scrapped this video. I know I wanted to, but I could have started all over and waited till I got something just perfect to put out there. But in doing so, I'd be hiding my moments of growth. And I would be contributing to that myth that growth is always linear, it's always upward, when in fact, we need these setbacks. So, what do you do if this happens to you? First, accept that this is a normal part of the learning process. But more importantly, push forward. Do not get discouraged. You can also temporarily shift your focus to something a little different. For example, after this sketch, I've already decided that I might switch over to play around with coloring techniques. This will give your mind something completely different to focus on for a little bit. And remember that every artist that you admire probably has dozens of sketches they are not proud of. I know I have sketchbooks full of them. But the thing that they all have in common is that they kept sketching. And that is what I decided to do as well. I powered through the sketch, and here is the final image of the sketch that I did not want to release.